In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text and titles in Lightworks. Open Lightworks and load the project you're working on. Make sure your video clips are arranged on the timeline so you can see exactly where you want your text to appear. It helps to place the playhead at the moment you want your title or caption to begin so you can preview changes as you go. Next, head to the Effects area. In the Lightworks interface, look for the Effects button and click it to open the Effects browser. At the upper right, you'll find a category labeled Text. This is where Lightworks groups the tools for adding text overlays and titles. You'll see options you can use for simple captions, lower thirds, or more stylized titles. To add text, click the text option and drag it into the editing panel at the bottom, directly onto the clip where you want the text to appear. You can place it on the video layer that contains your clip or onto an effects lane above it, depending on your timeline layout. Once you drop it in, Lightworks will show controls for that effect. Type your text into the provided field, then customize it so it matches your project's style. Choose a font, adjust the size, and set the color and opacity. Use alignment controls to center it or anchor it to the left or right. In the preview window, you can click and drag to position the text exactly where you want it on screen. For lower thirds, keep it within safe margins near the bottom. For main titles, center it and give it some breathing room away from the edges. Control the on-screen duration by trimming the ends of the text effect bar on the timeline. Drag the start or end to line up with the moment you want it to appear and disappear. If you want a smooth entrance or exit, adjust the effect's fade or animate the opacity inside the effect settings for a simple fade in and fade out. As you preview, check legibility. If the text blends into the background, add a subtle shadow, outline, or a semi-transparent box behind it to increase contrast. Keep colors consistent with your brand or video theme and avoid using too many fonts. When you're satisfied, close the effect controls. That's it. The text is applied to your clip. Play back the sequence to double-check timing and placement. Don't forget to save your project so you keep your changes, and when you're ready, export your video using your usual export settings.